हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। दिस इज़ रोशन शर्मा। चलिए माय डियर स्टूडेंट, एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के इम्पोर्टेंट जो भी ऑब्जेक्टिव होते हैं मैं अपलोड करने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि आप सभी जानते हैं 20% आपको ऑब्जेक्टिव से मार्क्स मिलेंगे मल्टीपल चॉइस से। अभी तो जितने भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है मैं सारे अपलोड कर रहा हूँ और उसके बाद आपको इसके सोल्यूशंस भी बताऊँगा। अभी तो आप इस क्वेश्चंस को एक अलग नोटबुक में लिख लीजिए, उसके बाद हम सॉल्व करने की भी कोशिश करेंगे, क्योंकि सब्जेक्टिव मैंने ऑलरेडी कराया है। ऑलरेडी प्रीवियस लेसन्स मैंने अपलोड कर दिया है। अब एप्लीकेशन ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के देखेंगे। पहले मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस करेंगे। देखिए, द लेंथ ऑफ द शैडो ऑफ ए मैन इज इक्वल टू द हाइट ऑफ ए मैन। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन 45 डिग्रीज होगा। द लेंथ ऑफ ए शैडो ऑफ पोल 30 मीटर्स, हाइट एट सम इंस्टेंट इज 10√3 मीटर्स। द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन इज द सन 60 डिग्रीज होगा। फाइंड द एंगल ऑफ डेप्रेशन ऑफ ए बोर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्रिज at a horizontal distance 25 cm from the bridge if the height of the bridge is 25 cm is equal to क्या होगा 45 degrees होगा. The stops of two poles of height 10 meters and 18 meters are connected with the wire. If wire make an angle 30 degrees with the horizontal, then the length of wire is equal to 16 meters होगा. From a point 20 meters away from a foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower 30 degrees, then the height of the tower is equal to 20/√3 होगा. The ratio of the length of the tree and its shadow is 1:1/√3. The angle of elevation in the sun is 60 degrees. A kite is flying at height of 50√3 meters above the level of ground. Attached to the string inclined at 60 degrees the horizontal at the length of the string is equal to क्या होगा इसका 100 meters होगा. A tree broken at a height of 10 meters above the ground. The broken part touches the ground and make an angle of 30 degrees with the horizontal. The height of the tree is equal to 30 meters होगा. In the shadow of tree is √3 times the height of the tree. Then find the angle of elevation of the sun is equal to 90 degrees होगा. The angle of elevation of a building from the 2 points of the ground 9 meters and 16 meters away from the foot of the building and complementary at height of the building is 10 meters होगा. उसके बाद फिलिप्स देखिए, a pole of 10 meters height cast a shadow 10 meters long on the ground, then the sun of elevation 45 degrees होगा. The angle of elevation, the top of a building 50 meters height from the point of the ground 45 degrees distance from the point from the foot of the building is 50 degrees होगा. A tree 6 meter tall cast a 4 meters long shadow. At the same time the pole cast shadow 10 meters long. The height of the pole is 15 meters. The angle formed by the line of the sight with the horizontal when the point being viewed above the horizontal level is called angle of elevation. If the sun of elevation 60 degrees, the pole of the height 6 meters with the cast of the shadow of the 6/√3 meters. If two towers of height h1 and h2 subtended angle 60 and 30 respectively at the point midpoint is equal to, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, of the line joining of the feet h1 ratio h2 is equal to 3:1. If the angle of elevation of the sun 30 degrees, the ratio of the height of the tree is shadow is 1:√3. The angle of elevation of the sun 45 degrees, then the length of the shadow of 12 meters, height tree is 12 meters. When the object below horizontal level, an angle formed by the line sight with horizontal is called angle of elevation. The angle of depression about 60 meters height, bridge 60 degrees, then the horizontal distance of the board of the bridge is 20√3 meters. अब उसके बाद match the following है. देखिए, if the angle of elevation of the top of a tower distance of 500 meters from the foot of 30 degrees, then the height of the tower is, यहाँ पे क्या होगा, 500√3 meters. A pole 6 meter height cast shadow 2√3 meters height long of the ground. The sun of elevation is 60 degrees होगा. The height of the tower is 100 meters. When the angle of elevation of the sun 30 degrees, then the shadow of the tower is, क्या होगा इसका आंसर होगा 100√3 meters. If the height of the length of the shadow of the man of the same, then the angle of elevation of the sun क्या होगा यहाँ पे 45 degrees. The angle of elevation of the top of the tower whose height 100 meters at the point whose distance from the base of the tower 100√3 meters is equal to 30 degrees यहाँ पे होगा. ये आपको लिखना है. नेक्स्ट देखिए, द एंगल ऑफ एलिवेशन ऑफ द टॉप ऑफ द ट्री 200 मीटर्स एट द पॉइंट ऑफ द डिस्टेंस 200 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस ऑफ द ट्री इज, क्या होगा यहाँ पे 45 डिग्रीज होगा. A lamp post 5√3 meters height cast shadow 5 meters long at the ground. The sun of elevation of the movement is, क्या होगा 60 degrees. The length of the shadow of 10 meters high tree if the angle of elevation the sun is 30 degrees is equal to होगा 10 root 3 meters. The angle of elevation the bird of sitting on the top of the tree see from the point distance from 20 meters from the base of the tree 60 degrees. Then the height of the tree is क्या होगा 20 root 3 meters. The top of the two poles height 20 meters 14 meters and connected by the wire. If the wire make angle 30 degrees with the horizontal then the length of the wire is equal to 12 meters. तो ये था my dear students, all the best.